Want to see how a Shopify theme looks before making it live? In this video, I'll show you how to preview themes so you can pick the perfect design for your store. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Start by logging into your Shopify account. From your dashboard, click Online Store in the left-hand menu. Scroll down to the popular free themes section to explore options that are trendy and versatile. Click on any theme you like to view more details, including features, descriptions, and user reviews. When you're ready, hit View Demo Store. This lets you experience the theme live with sample images and text so you can imagine how your products and brand will look. Take your time exploring the layout, navigation, and overall feel. If it aligns with your brand vision, you're ready to implement it on your store. Previewing a theme is the key step to ensuring your store looks professional and customer friendly. And that's it. You've successfully previewed a Shopify theme. Keep designing, stay creative, and make your online store shine.